Welcome to ClearTalk English. In this video, you are going to hear a simple and beautiful story. It will help you improve your English listening, vocabulary, and understanding. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. One evening, Maya was sitting in her room. She felt tired after a long day at work. She made a hot cup of tea and sat near the window. The sky outside was orange. Birds were flying back to their homes. It was peaceful.
Suddenly, the doorbell rang. Maya was surprised. She wasn't expecting anyone. She walked to the door and opened it. Standing there was her younger brother Rohan. He had a big smile on his face. "Rohan, what are you doing here?" Maya asked, shocked but happy. "I got a few days off from college, so I thought, why not visit you?" he said, smiling. Maya hugged him tightly. She was really happy to see him. They sat together in the living room. Maya made him a cup of tea. Rohan started telling her stories. He talked about college life, his new friends, classes, and even a football match he recently played. Maya listened with a smile. She was proud of him. Later, they cooked dinner together. Maya made rice and vegetables. Rohan made a fresh salad. They laughed, shared old jokes, and enjoyed spending time together.
After dinner, they watched a movie. It was a comedy. They laughed so much, just like old times. Before going to bed, Maya prepared the guest room for Rohan. "I'm so happy you came," she said warmly. "I'm happy too. I missed this place," Rohan replied. The next morning, they went for a walk in the park. The air was cool and fresh. Children were playing. Old people were walking. Dogs were running and barking playfully. "Looked a little serious," he said. "Sometimes I feel stressed about studies, about the future." Maya gently said, "Don't worry too much. Just do your best. Everything will be fine." When they got back home, Maya made breakfast. They sat on the balcony, enjoying the fresh air. They talked, laughed, and felt calm. The day passed quickly. In the evening, Rohan packed his bag. It was time to go. Maya felt a little sad, but she smiled. She hugged him and said, "Take care of yourself." "I will, and I'll visit again soon," Rohan said. As he walked away, Maya stood at the door. Her heart was full of love. She thought, sometimes a small surprise can bring big happiness. Thank you so much for listening to this story on ClearTalk English. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep listening and keep learning.